大家好，歡迎嚟到沸點，我哋係 Sound of Musing，
我係 Wincy，
我係 Wayne， 係啦，咁我諗咧大家都留意到咧，今集我哋個背景就有啲唔同咗咯，係啦，咁就係因為疫情即係而家好嚴重啦，咁所以咧我哋就決定今個月咧就會留翻喺屋企嗰度拍攝啦，所以亦都喺呢度咧就希望大家就保重身體啦。
咁咧四旬期咧都過咗差唔多一半嘅時間啦，咁咧每一年咧教會咧都會提醒我哋咧，特別喺呢段時間就去關心其他嘅人啦，同埋咧為佢哋祈禱嘅。咁咧特別咧我哋都為弱小嘅人啦去祈禱啦，特別係即係佢哋都好彷徨無助嘅時間。
尤其是而家即係世界上咁多戰爭啊、疫症嘅情況出現啦，咁所以我哋都為佢哋祈禱。咁所以我哋第一首歌咧就希望係可以帶嚟為呢一啲需要我哋去為佢祈禱嘅人去祈禱。The world is covered by our trails, scars we covered up with paint. Watch them preach into our lives. I would rather feel this world through the eyes of a child, through the eyes of a child.
Darker times will come and go, times you need to see her smile, and mothers' hearts are warm and mild. I would rather feel this world through the skin of a child, through the skin of a child. When a human strokes your skin, that is when you let them in. Let them in before they go. I would rather feel small with a childlike soul, with a childlike soul. it's me. I was wondering if after all these years you'd like to meet, to go over everything. You say the time's supposed to heal ya, but I ain't done much healing. Hello, can you hear me? I'm in California dreaming about who we used to be when we were younger and free. I've forgotten how it felt before the world fell at our feet. There's such a difference between us and a million miles. Hello from the other side. I must have called 1,000 times to tell you I'm sorry for everything that I've done. But when I call, you never seem to be home. Hello from the outside. At least I can say that I tried to tell you I'm sorry for breaking your heart, but it don't matter, it clearly doesn't tear you apart anymore. Hello, how are you? It's so typical of me to talk about myself, I'm sorry. I hope that you're well. Did you ever make it out of that town where nothing ever happened? It's no secret that the both of us are running out of time. So hello from the other side. I must have called 1,000 times to tell you I'm sorry for everything that I've done. When I call you, I never seem to be home. Hello from the outside. At least I can say that I've tried to tell you I'm sorry for breaking your heart, but it don't matter, it clearly doesn't tear you apart anymore. 對唔住呢3個字其實容唔容易講出口呢？如果我叫你突然之間講對唔住得唔得啊？
對唔住，咁而家好容易啊，
係啊
係咪先？即係因為冇背景啊嘛，係咪先？你係啦，咁但係即係如果可能發生咗啲事啊，或者你覺得自己冇做錯嘅，但係人哋突然間同你講，喂，你要講對唔住喎，咁
要道歉喎。
可能就會難啦。
即係你而家即刻同我道歉。
點解先？係
係
咯，即係
點解
會，即係正常人會問點解㗎嘛，係咪先？係咯，唔會無啦啦就講對唔住㗎嘛。
係咯，呢個時間咧就即係疫情嘅時間啦，咁可能我哋即係每一日都會接收到唔同嘅信息啦，或者咧係即係屋企嘅人啦，會即係有好多嘅情緒啦，甚至可能佢哋染病啦，咁我哋作為照顧嘅人啦，或者甚至可能我哋自己染病啦，係啦，咁喺工作上啦，或者係生活上都有好多嘅變動啊、不便啊，咁都會即係多咗好多同人哋相處嘅時候會有啲唔開心嘅時間啦，好多嘅摩擦啦。
係啦，多咗摩擦咧，就會多咗好多機會，大家可能會不自覺間傷害到大家。咁喺呢啲時候咧，其實正正就係最需要講對唔住嘅時候。咁但係咧，你意識自己做錯，或者人哋意識自己做錯嘅時候，會唔會有任何一個人係主動同人道歉咧？我覺得係會難啲咯。不過主動同人哋去道歉，即係修和啦。其實咧係一個愛嘅表現。
即係你着緊佢先會咁樣做。
係啊係啊係啊。
如果唔係我都唔睬你啦。
係啊係啊，但係就係基於人自尊心嘅呢個問題，即係要面啊，要面，咁所以要做第一個去認低威啊，同人哋溝頭認錯，咁其實係真係好難嘅，即係會覺得好瘀嘅。
尷尬嘅有時。
係啦係啦係啦，咁但係我自己覺得啦，如果你同一啲你着緊嘅人，或者即係任何身邊嘅人，你關係破裂咗嘅時候，其實係會令你 miss 咗生命中好多好靚嘅嘢，同埋好精彩嘅嘢。
同埋即係當你個關係唔好嘅時候，其實個氣氛都會好僵硬啦，同埋即係講起嘢上嚟都好似有條刺咁樣，咁就會唔係咁好。
係啊，其實會浪費咗同你身邊嘅人建立美好回憶嘅一個機會。咁所以其實希望大家都可以把握任何嘅機會啦，去同你身邊嘅人咧，即係
都發現下對方嘅好處，
係啊
同埋即係可能幫人嘅時候都企喺人哋嘅角度諗一諗，係咪真係最合適佢嘅方法咧？有時候好多嘅時間都會係即係可能我做嗰啲嘢，我為你好啊咁。
係啦係啦，咁就會不自覺可能有啲摩擦出現啦。咁希望即係大家都可以同身邊嘅人係磨合得好啲啦，同埋如果有啲咩紛爭嘅話，都即係係啦，可以的話就做第一個同人哋道歉。然後就可以做一個修和，咁其實即係對大家對你自己咧，都一定會過得好啲。Precious life can be, and if I never held you, I would never have a clue. Now at last I find in you the missing part of me. In this world so full of fear, full of rage and lies, I can see the truth is so clear in your eyes, so dry your eyes, and I'm so grateful to you. I have lived my whole life through, lost forever if I never knew you.
If I never knew you, I'd be safe but half as real. Never know when I could feel a love so strong and true. I'm so grateful to you. I'd have lived my whole life through, lost forever if I never knew you.
I thought our love would be so beautiful. Somehow we made the whole world bright. I never knew that fear and hate could be so strong. All they live as violence whispers in the night. But still my heart is saying we were right.
If I never knew
There's no moment I regret, since the moment that we met. If our time has come too fast, I live this life.
I thought our love would be so beautiful. Sometime we made the whole world bright. I thought our love would be so beautiful. We turned the darkness into light. But
Still my heart is saying we were right. We were right, and if I never knowing why, lost forever if I never knew you. When the rain is blowing in your face and the whole world is on your case, I could offer you a warm embrace to make you feel my love.
When the evening shadows and the stars appear, and there's no one to dry your tears, I could hold you for a million years to make you feel my love.
I know you haven't made your mind up yet, but I would never do you wrong. I've known it from the moment that we met. No doubt in my mind where you belong. I'd go hungry, I'd go black and blue, I'd go crawling down the avenue. No, there's nothing I wouldn't do to make you feel my love. The storms are raging on the rolling sea and on the highway of regret. The winds of change are throwing wild and free. You ain't seen nothing like me yet. I could make you happy, make your dreams come true. Nothing that I wouldn't do. Go to the ends of the earth for you, to make you feel my love, to make you feel my love.
好啦，咁除咗人同人之間嘅收穫啦，建立同人之間嘅關係啦，咁其實有冇一啲嘅時候，我哋都會同自己去修好呢？點樣同自己修和好啊？
係咯，因為其實我覺得好多時候我哋對自己咧係零舍執着嘅，我哋會即係對人哋咧就好寬鬆啦，對自己就好嚴謹嘅，成日都係咁樣。
律己以嚴啊！
係啦。
OK。
係啦，咁其實咧就好多時候都唔記得去原諒自己，因為其實自己都好努力啦。咁我哋可以原諒得人哋嘅時候，點解唔可以原諒自己呢？即係我哋其實自己都好努力㗎，因為我哋一定係希望自己可以做到最好㗎嘛。所以即係我哋同人與人之間修和，咁同自己又有冇做呢樣嘢呢？記唔記得去做呢樣嘢呢？
有時我哋都即係知道自己有一啲嘅優點啦，都有缺點啦，咁都好好咁去再重新咁去檢視下啦，同埋即係有時有啲嘢 慢慢來比較快嘅，係啊，即係都同自己去建立一個好嘅關係，聽下自己嘅聲音。
I can't seem to focus and you don't seem to notice I'm not here. I'm just a mirror. You check your complexion to find your reflections all alone. I had to Can't you hear me? I'm not coming home. Do you understand? I've changed my plans. 'Cause I'm in love with my future.Can't wait to meet him. And I'm in love, but not with anybody else. Just wanna get to know myself. I know supposedly I'm lonely now.I know supposedly I'm happy without someone, but aren't I someone? I'd like to be your answer, 'cause you're so handsome.But I know better than to drive you home, 'cause you invite me in, and I'll be yours again. But I'm in love with my future.You don't know it, and I'm in love, but not with anybody here. I'll see you in a couple years. 有時候呢，除咗人與人之間嘅關係呢，我哋會覺得理所當然啦。其實呢個大自然，我哋係咪都係 take it for granted 呢？人嘅態度係咪都係一樣呢？即係大自然喺度嘅就係，佢應該就喺度咯。有資
源啊，即係見到樹就冚啊。
係咯，攞就攞咯，係咪？唔使本咁樣嘅。
早排呢咪見到啲人好中意去露營嘅。其實幾好，我覺得去露營呢，我未試過啦，但係可以去享受下一個嘅大自然嘅環境入邊。
親大自然。
咁但係呢，又見到即係之前咪有啲圖呢話咩係咪塔門定係邊啲地方呢？啲人去完露營之後呢，留低好多垃圾啊，跟住呢，又搞到嗰啲牛呢又食唔到草咁，所以都好似變咗我哋係一個高位，即係人類萬物之靈啊咁，然後呢，其他嘅物種就好似
係啦，即係你享用咗啲嘢。跟住你破壞咗佢呢，就即係冇後續嘅，係啦，即係即係用完就走咗去算數咁樣，係啦，即係其實咁樣係破壞咗即係大自然嘅係啦個平衡啦。其實亦都會令到好多危機出現啦，即係好多自然災害啊，其實都係
一啲病啊咁樣都係因為個 balance。
係啊。咁係啦，咁所以其實呢，我哋除咗同人要修和之外，
同自己修和，仲要其實係同大自然都要
修和。
如果唔係，我諗即係過多幾廿年，即係又話咩冇冬天啊，係啦，其他
好多嘢即係下一代嗰啲都冇得睇㗎啦。咁所以其實我哋同大自然修和係除咗為我哋之外，亦都係為我哋下一代，可以令佢哋享受到我哋而家享受到嘅嘢，係天主賜俾我哋大家嘅嘢。
一個咁美麗嘅地球。 savage, and you've been so many places, I guess it must be so, but still I cannot see if the savage one is me. How can there be so much that you don't know? You don't know. You think you own whatever land you land on. The earth is just a dead thing you can claim. But I know every rock and tree and creature has a life, has a spirit, has a name. You think the only people who are people are the people who look and think like you. But if you walk the footsteps of a stranger, you'll learn things you never knew. Have you ever heard the wolf cry to the blue corn moon, or asked the grinning bobcat why he grinned? Can you sing with all the voices of the mountain? Can you paint with all the colors of the wind? Can you paint with all the colors of the wind? Come run the hidden pine trails of the forest. Come taste the sun's sweet berries of the earth. Come roll in all the riches all around you, and for once never wonder what they're worth. The rainstorm and the river are my brothers. The heron and the otter are my friends, and we are all connected to each other in a circle, in a hoop that never ends. How high does a sycamore grow? If you cut it down, then you never know. And you never hear the wolf cry to the blue corn moon, or whether we are white or coppered skin. We need to sing with all the voices of the mountain. We need to paint with all the colors of the wind. You can own the earth and still, or you'll own it earth until you can paint with all the colors of the wind.
好啦，頭先我哋都講咗好多唔同種類嘅收穫啦，有人與人之間嘅收穫啦，同自己嘅收穫啦，同埋同大自然之間嘅收穫啦。但係最重要嘅收穫係咩呢？一定唔可以唔記得。
就係同天主嘅收穫。
係啦，同天主之間嘅收穫啦。
咁好多時候我哋都未必會即係好勇敢地去主動去揾神父辦告解啦，但係教會都喺呢個嘅時間啦，四旬期嘅時間咧，都提醒我哋咧要去懺悔啦、祈禱、做補贖啦，同埋咧去克己係啦，同埋關心身邊嘅人啦。咁所以大家都可以即係嘗試即係利用呢個時間去同天主修補好嘅關係啦。
係啊，冇錯啊！雖然而家即係我哋冇得去聖堂嗰度去做實體彌撒啦。咁但係我哋都可以定時定候同天主溝通。咁其實即係禮拜日我哋都可以繼續去網上彌撒啦，係啦。咁我哋去網上彌撒其實都係繼續同天主溝通，同埋我哋平時都可以多同天主祈禱啦。係啦。
唔知大家有冇喺網上彌撒嘅時候有唔專心嘅情況咧？即係咧係啦，咁或者係其他嘅嘢係擺先過即係天主咧。咁其實呢個時候都係一個好好嘅反省嘅時候咯，係啦。 咁就我哋都去到節目嘅尾聲啦，咁都希望咧各位可以同我哋一齊，即係都喺餘下落嚟嘅時間啦，去準備好我哋嘅身心靈，去過復活節係啦，去迎接基督嘅受難啦、復活同埋升天。好啦，咁我哋係時候都講聲
拜拜，
下個月見，下個月見，拜拜。
He can turn the tides and calm the angry sea. He alone decides to write a symphony. He lights every star that makes our darkness bright. He keeps watch all through each long and lonely night. He still finds the time to hear a child's first prayer. Saint or sinner calling, always find him there. Though it makes him sad to see the way we live, he'll always say, I forgive. He can grant a wish and make a dream come true. He can paint the clouds and turn the gray to blue. He alone knows where to find the rainbow's end. He alone can see what lies beyond the bend. He can touch a tree and turn the leaves to gold. He knows every lie that you and I have told. Though it makes him sad to see the way we live, he'll always say,